Hi everybody, it's Kenzie Knox and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like you to try and guess what we're painting! Yay! Anywho, I apologize half the way through, my phone died and part of this painting, time-lapse or tutorial-ish type of painting got cut out. But if you are following along with this, you can simply slow it down using the YouTube gear setting tools, and you could just copy the colors that I'm using in the patterns, and you can pretty much paint the same thing if you would like to. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Okay, bye!